Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we'll model a simple signet ring using circles, ellipses, and blend curves, and add a decoration using the solid tools. Start in RHINO's front view. Draw a circle with its center at the origin 0 and a standard diameter of 18 millimeters. Offset the circle 2 millimeters outward. Draw a line with the origin at 0. Enable the two sides option. Keep the ortho snap set and draw a line larger than the two circles. Select the line, use the trim command, and delete the left portion of the outer circle. You can also delete the line. Then draw a line. Enable the quadrant snap. Take the upper quadrant of the inner circle and draw a distance of 5 millimeters along the vertical line. Go to the perspective view and draw a line starting from the lower edge of the outer circle and running parallel to the y-axis. This creates the reference curves for our object. Let's draw an ellipse for the center with end snap active. Select the top vertex of the line as the center. Move the mouse parallel to the x-axis and type 6. Enter, enter, while for the other dimension press 4, enter, enter. Select the adjustable blend curve command, 0 to icon. Click on the lower part of the circle, choose the point option, and select this quadrant of the ellipse. Switch to the front view and activate curvature and define the desired shape. Do not select trim and join options. Confirm. Select the adjustable blend curve command again. Start from this line. Select the point option and move to this quadrant. Switch to the side view. Activate tangency and define the desired shape. Switch back to the perspective view. For clarity, I'll hide the construction curves. I select this curve and apply a mirror copy. In this case, with respect to the x-axis. Select this other curve, return to the command, and make a mirror copy with respect to the y-axis. I select all the curves except this circle. I grab the surface from a network of curves command and confirm. I activated the shaded view. Select the circle, go to the solid tools and grab the wire cut command. Select the object to cut, confirm with enter, and keep these options active. Direction normal to curve, delete input no, both sides yes, keep all no. The part to delete is the internal one, but if I want to delete the external one, I will simply click on it. Confirm with enter. Select the open poly surface and use the close planar holes command. This turns the object into a solid. Select all the curves by typing cell CRV. Hide all the curves. Go back to the solid tools. Select the edge, fillet edges and set a radius of 0.4. Select the inner edges and confirm by pressing enter. Right-clicking on the same icon, I select the blend edges command. Set a radius of 0.6 and select the top edge. At this point, if I want to insert a decoration on the top face of the ring, I use the Inset Face Edges command. Select this face, press enter and choose a distance of 0.2 millimeters. Select then the Move Face command. Select the same face, go to the front view, press enter and choose a starting point. This end will work well, and then type 0.4. Click on the vertical line. Select the edge chamfer edges command. Type the distance of 0.4. Select this edge and press enter. At this point, check the surface. Select the surface, go to Analyze Surface and select Environment Map. For example, I'll choose the Arches map. and evaluate the effect on my object. If I want to smooth out this edge even more, I can apply this fillet edge again. This time I'll use a radius of 0.2. Go back and evaluate the surface quality again with environment map. That's all. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. See you soon.